गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે નોર્મલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનો ટાઈપ 4 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 5 find value of number of observation, that is capital N. First of all, how to find capital N? So we have to put three rashi chain rule. If capital N probability is equal to P of X is equal to number P of X colon number, then total probability is always equal to how much? 1. ત્યારે કેટલા? Okay, first example, the mark of student of SYBBA class are normally distributed with mean 62. Mean, that means mu 62, and standard deviation 15. So small sigma 1.5. If 10 students getting more than 80 marks, find how many students in a class. It is given that 10 students getting more than 80 marks. So it is given that 80 or more. X is 80 or more. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z 80 minus mu 62 divided by standard deviation 15 or more. Z 80 minus 62 divided by 15, 80 minus 62 divided by 15, 1.2 or more. Area under normal को exact middle માં z is equal to 0, 1.2 plus છે એટલે right hand side આવશે, એનાથી more કીધું છે એટલે right hand side ના બધા observation. So right hand side ની total probability we know 0.5, એમાંથી આપણે આ probability minus કરશું. So in short આપણે probability find કરવાની છે type 1 ની જેમ. P of X is equal to right hand side ની total probability 0.5 minus Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 1.2. probability find કરવાની છે Z નહીં, એટલે આપણે સીધી રીતે ટેબલ જોશું, રિવર્સ મેથડથી નહીં જોઈએ. 0.5 minus 1.2 નું 0 માં, 1.2 નું 0 માં 3849, 0.3849. 0.5 minus 0.3849, 0.1151. 0.1151. So here our probability and જ્યારે probability 0.1151 હોય ત્યારે કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ છે? 10 સ્ટુડન્ટ. તો 1 probability હોય ત્યારે કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ થશે? કારણ કે total probability હોય 1, એટલે કે 1 multiplied by 10 divided by 0.1151. So 10 divided by 0.1151, that is 86.88, that means 87. Total there are 87 students in a class. Next, example number 2. The salary of professor of SP college is normally distributed with mean 2400 and standard deviation 200. Mean એટલે કે mu is equal to 2400 and standard deviation is equal to 200. Mu 2400, standard deviation 200. If 22 professor earn less than 2000, 22 professor earn less than 2000. Find number of professor in a college. So આપણે n find કરવાનો છે. Now x 22,000 or less. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or less. 22,000 minus mu is equal to 2400 divided by standard deviation 200 or less. So 2000 minus 2400 minus 400 divided by 200 minus 2 or less. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0. 2 minus છે એટલે left hand side આવશે. એનાથી less than કીધા છે એટલે left hand side વાળા બધા. Simple probability find કરવાની છે type 1 ની જેમ. So left hand side ની total probability થશે 0.5. એમાંથી આપણે 0 થી લઈ અને -2 ની માઇનસ કરશે. z is equal to -2 to z is equal to 0. 0.5 minus 2 ની probability 2.04772. 0.4772. 0.5 minus 0.4772. 0.0228. Okay. Probability and n 0.0228. ત્યારે કેટલા પ્રોફેસર છે? 22. So total probability 1 હોય ત્યારે કેટલા? 22 divided by 0.0028. 22 divided by 0.228, that is 96.49. That means 96. Total there are 96 professor in a college. Okay, next 0.0228. This is 0.0228. So 22 divided by 0.0228, that is 965. 965 professor are there in a college. Next, example number 3. The mean and standard deviation of normal distribution is 320 and 40. Mean means mu 320. Standard deviation 40. If 334 observations are more than 80, 334 observations are more than 80. Find total number of observation. So we have to find out capital N. Now x is equal to 80 or more. Z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. 80 minus mu 320 divided by 320 and 33 observation are more than 80. Divided by standard deviation 40. So z is equal to 80 minus 320. 240 divided by 40 minus 6 or more. Minus 6 or more. Here it is only 3.9. So this is not possible. Next, here's 334 less than 180. 180. So 180 minus 320 divided by 40, 3.5. 3.5. This is 3.5 minus 3.5. Area under normal curve. Z is equal to 0. 3.5 minus છે એટલે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ, એનાથી મોર કીધા છે એટલે રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ વાળા બધા. રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 0.5 So z is equal to minus 3.5 to z is equal to 0 plus 0.5. 3.5. 3.5 નું 0 માં 4998. 0.4998 plus 0.5. 0.5998. 9998, sorry. Probability n 0.9998. ત્યારે નંબર ઓફ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન આપેલા છે 334. 1 હોય ત્યારે કેટલા? 334 divided by 0.9998. 334.9998, that is 334. This is your answer. Next, example number 4. The distribution of income of certain group is normally distributed with mean 20. So mu is equal to 20. And variance, that means standard deviation square 25. So standard deviation is equal to 5. The number of person getting more than 25 is rupees 50. 25 rupees is 50. More than 25 is 50. Find number of person in a group. Okay. So x 25 or more. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z x 25 minus mu 20 divided by 5 or more. Z 5 divided by 5, that is 1 or more. Graph bell shape. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0. 1 plus છે એટલે right hand side. એનાથી more કીધું છે એટલે right hand side વાળા બધા observation. Right hand side ની total probability થાય 0.5. એમાંથી આપણે લેસ કરશું. z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1. 0.5 minus 0.3413. 0.5 minus 0.3413. 1587. P of x n. 0.1587 probability હોય ત્યારે number of person છે 50. 1 હોય ત્યારે કેટલા? 50 divided by 0.1587. 50 divided by 0.1587, that is 315. Total there are 315 person in a group. Okay. Next, last of this type, example number 5. Bill of breakfast of a customer of hotel is follow normal distribution with mean 20. Mean means mu 20 and standard deviation 5. In certain day, 40% customer paid bill more than 27.5. 40 customer paid bill more than 27.5 rupees. So x 27.5 or more. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z x 27.5 minus mu 20 divided by 5 or more. So 7.5 divided by 5, 1.5 or more. Area under normal को z is equal to 0. 1.5 right plus છે એટલે right hand side, એનાથી more right hand side વાળા બધા. Probability right hand side ની total probability 0.5 minus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1.5. 0.5 minus 1.5, 4332, 0.4332, 0.5 minus 0.3, 0.4332, 0.0668, 0.0668. Now put 3 Rasi, P of x n, 0.0668 is equal to 40 customer, then 1 probability, there how much? 40 divided by 0.0668. 40 divided by 0.0668, 598.8. That means 599. Total on that day 599 customer visit the restaurant or hotel for the breakfast. Here our type 5 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 6. Thank you.